Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. During this Lenten period, a group of Salesian cooperators from the Santa Local Centre, accompanied by Salesian delegate Father Noel Villafuerte, took part in a 4-day pilgrimage visiting the cities of Purwodadi, Semarang, Yogyakarta and other neighbouring areas. In particular, the Salesian cooperators donated kits containing school supplies, personal hygiene items and foodstuff to the children of the Purwodadi school and their teachers. In the following days, they then visited several Marian shrines, praying the rosary and participating in the Way of the Cross. The rest of the pilgrimage was a set of spiritual and recreational activities characterized by the joy, spontaneity, simplicity typical of the Salesians. The Bosco Institute in Jorhat recently hosted a conference titled Confluence, which brought together over 30 social sector entrepreneurs. Held on March 1st and 2nd, the event transformed into a platform where the future of social innovation took center stage. The conference explored key topics such as the future of innovation, innovation in education, the role of women, young people as drivers of change, and much more. The experts invited to the conference offered unique perspectives, stimulated dialogue, and generated several actionable strategies to promote positive change. The Don Bosco Kep Center in Cambodia is currently hosting a seminar entitled Communication on Social Media and the Voice of Indigenous Peoples for Synodality, attended by representatives of the media field from Mongolia, the Philippines, East Timor, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Nepal and Papua New Guinea. The seminar, which began last March 10, will end on March 20th. To mark the opening of the workshop, participants wore their traditional indigenous costumes. In his welcome speech, Don Albeiro Rodas, director of the center, was delighted to see the cultures of the indigenous peoples represented. Subsequently, the indigenous people of Cambodia showed a characteristic ritual that they used to speak to their ancestors. The stages in the indigenous missions of Director Major's animation visit to the Saint Alphonsus province of Campo Grande, Brazil, ended on Wednesday, 13 March 2024. Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime presided at an outdoor mass for the entire mission community. Indigenous people, Salesians of Don Bosco, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and collaborators of all kinds. Then, after affectionate farewells from everyone, he continued his journey towards Cuyaba. Faithful in the Salesian presences in Rondonópolis, Pochureu and Primavera do Leste joined the Zavante in Sangra Duro for the mass presided over by the Cardinal on the morning of Wednesday, 13 March. The Salesian missionary volunteering continues to flourish, with participants deeply engaged in discussions about critical topics and plans to strengthen the program's impact. In the latest gathering, which spanned 4 days, attendees delved into essential themes such as identity, formation, accompaniment, and network building. During the 3rd day of the gathering, the focus was on the vital concept of accompaniment. Recognizing the importance of supporting all stakeholders involved in the program, including volunteers, coordinators, and recipient communities, participants explored the significance of being present and attentive to the needs of others. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.